Welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add 3D lightning effect on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut, click new project and add the video that you want to edit. And then after this, I want to add 3D lightning effect on this video. So you just click on effect at the bottom, this one, click on it, and then in here you just click on a video effect, and then at the menu you can swipe until you can see the 3D. This is the newest effect on CapCut, so you just click on it, and then in here you can see 3D lightning effect, so you just click on it and then click check icon in here. Now you set effect until the end of the video, and then after this you can adjust the effect. So you just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the color, this for the color, for the glow, for the speed, and then rotate, for sticker. This is from the opacity, and then this is for the filter. And after this you can click check icon at the bottom. Finish. So that's how to add 3D lightning effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.